I wanted some kind of project or challenge. So I found this house, and it had been an 8-bedroom HMO and was really, really neglected and damp in part, with roof leaks and mould and in a bad state. And I thought, great, I'm going to get my teeth into this and find the perfect building team to do the job. My overall experience of the team was pretty brilliant, to be honest with you, because I'd had a couple of other tradesmen do various work on the house, and on the whole they were good, but there was no one outstanding until DK Building. They showed up on time, they were really reliable, really friendly, and answered questions, were incredibly neat as well, which is quite important to me. So at the end of every day, everything was brushed away as much as possible, put into piles, and because we were living through the build, so that was really, really important. They were respectful of the space and kept the working areas really neat. So really, really good. And they were all friendly and fun, and we used to have a laugh, so it was nice. It was a nice experience. I grew fond of them all. To be honest, I was quite bullish with the idea of taking on a project this big. I mean, I make no bones about it. It's been absolutely a massive, massive project. And the demolition of this wall and putting in all the steels, because we've got multiple steels in this space, was quite invasive for the structure of the house. But to me, it has taken what I saw when I first saw this building as a kind of grand arm of architecture, and just her clothing had become ragged and, just decrepit. And it feels like putting the right clothing back on her. She just looks magnificent now. And, now this house is, it's amazing. I shouldn't say that, should they? Because it's my house. But it is an amazing house. And of course, the building work made that happen. So it's like taking an idea from just something that's circulating around my head and then seeing it manifest, So really, really worth doing, and even better than I imagined.